Kid, come on. You're not too big for me to
I
manage.
still got a cute spot. Imagine if I didn't shave and I looked like this, and then this wasn't my pits.
You ready for this?
Yep. Do you know what I'm actually doing? Turning on our mood lights so that when we come home tonight, like the house is like set and ready. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I always do that.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
Can I pick first? Can I pick first?
Yeah, you drew them.
I need to know who wrote the names,
Me.
who cut the names,
Me.
and who folded the names.
Me. I didn't have one.
And I get to pick the name. I'm gonna hold the ball now. Does anyone?
Okay, now listen. I don't want anybody getting the same name they had last year.
I always get Olivia.
I don't know who I had last
He
year.
had Lincoln last year.
Okay.
I had Olivia.
We didn't do this last year.
Here we
Okay, pick a number between. Hold on, pick a number.
Oh, Olivia got me last year.
No, I got
go.
Boston.
Okay, listen to Mom.
1 and 100. Let me pick the number. Go ahead.
9. I mean, 100. 199. 87.
75. The number was 49.
I was gonna say 55.
Okay, well, what? So who said?
I
Well,
said.
you said 100. Olivia's the closest.
Okay.
Wait. Who? What'd she say?
Okay, Olivia's
79.
gonna draw first. Go
I
ahead.
said
87.
87. Oh.
Okay, so who you got?
I got me.
Okay.
Wait,
Who's
what?
it?
I got Cody.
Did you have him last year?
No, I had
Okay. Who was the next closest to us?
Cody.
I said
Cody
I
is.
said
Alright, go ahead, Cody. Boston or Lincoln, come here.
Me. I got Boston.
Did you get him last year?
No,
No,
let's see.
I
Cody.
got Lincoln. Yeah, because I got him the red car.
Okay. The best thing is when you have a younger sibling that doesn't really know how to pick out, mom and dad help
Guys,
them, so
you
you always
need
want
to get each
them
other,
to
though.
pick your name. So I really
That's
wanted
pretty
to pick my
strategic,
name.
Olivia. I like that.
What? Okay, who'd you get?
Olivia.
Okay, now
No,
he
you had
has
Olivia,
Olivia
like-
every year.
Put it
So
back.
go ahead.
Lincoln.
Lincoln.
I got. Wait, I know what I got.
Who'd you get, bud?
I got Olivia last year.
No, you didn't.
Okay, everyone get their coats on. I just turned off Melikaliki Maka and Joel's like, what are you doing?
No, you turned off Bing Crosby. Nobody does that to the Bing.
No one puts Bean in the corner.
How dare you?
I mean, that's not a wrong statement. Okay. I am going through YouTube comments from yesterday's vlog, and I just want to tell you that my heart is so full, and not just because the comments were nice towards me, because I really was worried. I'm like, oh, this is so dumb. People are gonna think I'm such a crybaby. No, you supported me 100%, and not only that, it gave a place for you guys to kind of vent in the comments section and ask Joel how much I've sat here and cried. And it's because my heart just, I don't know, it aches for you, it aches with you, and I said this in my Instagram stories that we, like, when I see those kind of comments, we pray for you. When we pray as a family, we pray for those people that watch our videos and that need comfort, and I know that those prayers reach to all of you, and if only through a feeling that you get when you watch our videos. Anyway, last night was exactly what we needed. The kids needed that break. They needed zero structure, and because even though sometimes when we plan videos and we're doing something fun for the kids, it's structure for them, and that is work for them. And so having them go and do what they want, they played for hours in the snow, we made homemade pizzas and just watched movie after movie last night, and it truly was rejuvenating. So we are like all good and ready for today.
Are you done so I can put Bean out of the corner? Come on, let's go, Crosby.
Mom, look out. You're windy.
Let me see your heart.
Remember? What do you remember?
Okay, I'll pass those around.
Pass waters back, guys.
Look at my
Okay, you guys take these.
Boston, grab those.
Boston, pass one of those to everyone. Do you have that? 2 hands. Put that in between Olivia and Cody to share. Put this in between you and Lincoln to share.
This one's for me and Daddy to share.
Finally made it. We have been in the car for hours. The traffic was so bad. There were several accidents, but we made it. But we had to find a bathroom first.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be sooner.
You guys, I found the big version of the
Family and
All right, normally when we do these like gift exchanges, we go into Walmart and Joel takes 2 kids, I take 2 kids. It's feeling a little congested, would you say?
This is a more difficult gift.
It
You have
is.
an entire store to get lost upon.
It is, and you have little peeper eyes that are glued to you. And you know what? If you want to ruin your, what are you so funny? If you want to ruin surprises, then you can ruin surprises. But let me just say one thing, Mr. Clark,
Yeah.
is you might think one thing, but you really have no idea.
Exactly.
Look at his face, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take Lincoln and Olivia. Wait, Lincoln has Olivia. Okay.
I mean, I'll gladly
Yes,
go with
and
you.
Olivia and Boston come in.
Well, then I need to take Boston because you guys need to pick something out for Olivia, right? Who has Olivia?
I did.
Okay. And who has Boston?
Or I have Cody. Boston is Lincoln.
I need to know who has Boston.
Cody. I did.
Okay, Cody, go with Dad and find something for Boston. So you come with me. I know that you are wanting to get Olivia something that you like, but look at me. We gotta think of something that Olivia might like. So let me show you what I think she might think is cute. Look at that doggy. So, okay, well, let's not punch the doggy. No, that's not nice. Look how cute this doggy is, but look at the cow. Lincoln, come here. Look at that cow. It's not weird at all. It's so cute. I don't want to alarm you, but I need you to look behind you. There is a giant flamingo and giraffe. Olivia wants the flamingo. She thinks the giraffe is cute. I don't think she wants a wolf.
You're not too big for me to fan.
Still got a goosebump.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Your mother's trying to conceal your surprises.
Wait,
Hi,
where's
guys.
the baseball?
Well, we can't klepto that thing. Let's go. Okay.
The one thing that you want to keep in mind is that the person that got you a gift, it's a gift from them. So if you're complaining, that means you have a really bad attitude, and be grateful and gracious when receiving gifts because it's what I am. But I'm also talking to everyone.
That I actually like.
But the person that got you something is what they wanted to get you, and so that's a gift from
Probably a
them.
monster truck from him.
It's a pretty sweet gift.
Well, I hope that what I'm saying is sinking in. Being a gracious receiver is very important. When someone gives you a gift, it's about what they are getting for you and not what you're like wanting. Right, Joel?
Right.
Okay. All right.
Keep that in mind, Boston.
Oh, Joel's telling me to keep that in mind. Okay.
You hop on, no, hop on the back of it. Somebody hop in the back. Stop.
No. We're not triple in that. Come on, walk. This car's wanting to go. Come on. Yeah, I saw that. That's a scary business. Hey, you walk. Tino, you just walk. Sir, if you could leave the snow outside, that'd be great. What are you doing playing in the snow?
Sir, I'm pretty sure these are for dogs only.
Our table is so great, Joel.
This empty.
Look at us in the corner. Well, he said that you cannot get in without a reservation, so luckily we had reservations. I cannot wait for you guys to see what they do here. Cody, I don't know what you're doing. Cody, what What on earth are you doing? What are you doing?
I can't keep it straight.
I have no idea what's happening right now.
Done and done.
What do I do now? We gotta. I finished with the.
She is not going to have a clue what this is. Not a clue.
That's what it is. You'll never know what it is. Yeah, never know. That's what it is. Don't guess, dinosaur.
Okay, go ahead and put your present under the tree. Lincoln. Okay, put your present under the tree.
We bought that one.
That's for Olivia.
Oh, and it starts with the D, not dinosaur. Dinosaur. Never.
Yeah, you're never gonna be able to.
It's a dinosaur. Yeah. No, there's something else that starts with the D. We're from Cody to Boston. Dirt. Where does it say from Cody?
You guys, is it a piece of dirt?
No.
He said
it
D.
doesn't start with a D. Cody, where does it say from Boston?
Grass. It's grass, that's why it's green.
No, Cody. It's a chocolate doggy. Wait, oh.
It's a chocolate doggy.
Oh yeah, no wait. That's a big doggy. Guess what it is? It starts with a G.
Grass.
Jur.
Lincoln Roy.
You're still talking. Listen to mom. You're still talking. Listen to your mom.
No.
The best thing is when you...
No. Hold on. That's too close. Lincoln, hold it steady.
I got my E.
Nope, turn it around. Come on.
Do you like it?
Okay, hold it right, just like that. Hold it. No, no. Oh my golly. Okay, let's go. This is ridiculous.
Grab him. You dangle better keep all your bloopers. You keep me in bloopers when I'm an idiot. You better keep yours in for yelling at the kids.
Like the brown and coming out the bottom.
I want to tell you one thing. Keep in mind, Lincoln, stop.
Listen, right
Listen.
now, guys. Oh, no, don't get more of a mess.
Being a, I'm gonna start over. I don't like that. That was so weird. I was recording and my camera completely froze.
Uh-oh, let me see if I can dump some of this into that one. Let's
Yep.
pull that one off.
Wait, dump.
German pancakes.
Yes. Good thing Olivia's a good sport. Knock it off.
Trying to make her say. Oh. I thought that was Marie.